Saturday morning, here we are, GWS, me and Mel. Going to start on this property in Brig. Mel's getting the camera ready now. Just doing the front of the property now. There's Mel, ready with the survey camera, giving us a little bit of a wave. It's very cold today. At the back of the property now, I'm going to start on this end. I need to get on that roof here to enable me to get to the top gutter, I think, unless I can get half from each side, but I'll have a look when I get to that. We're going to do half of this extension from one side with 6 poles, then move the machine, then reach up with 6 poles and get the other half of the gutter. Right, just starting to flush them out on the back gutter here. Just flushing the gutter out the front of the house, and that is running fine. And then there's 2 more gutters that side to check.